Today I'm going to be teaching you about an absolute min. Okay, so by teaching you, I'm going to have an example problem. So find the absolute min of f of x equals x to the third minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 1 over x plus 1. And it's on an interval of 0 to infinity. Okay, first we need to find the derivative for your mins and maxes. So we're going to take the derivative. So here we need to use the quotient rule. So we're going to have our x to the third minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 1, and then x plus 1, and then the derivatives. So here is going to be 3x squared minus 4x minus 4, and the derivative of this is just 1. And then we're going to put it 3x squared minus 4x minus 4 times x plus 1 minus x to the third minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 1. Okay, and it's all over x plus 1 squared. And then we're going to factor this out. So we're going to have 3x to the third minus 4x squared minus 4x plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 4, and then here we're going to factor out the negative x to the third plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 1. And then we're going to group them together and put circles around here. And boxes. And this is going to equal to 2x to the third plus x squared minus 4x minus 3. And once we do that, we're going to factor it out. So then we're going to have 2x minus 3 and an x plus 1 and an x plus 1 again. So here, when we equal our x to 0, we're going to get x equals 3 over 2, and this is going to be x equals a negative 1. So these are our critical points, but since this one's negative 1 and our interval is to 0, we can x this one out, and so we have this point, and we're going to plug in our 0 into the original function to find our values. So we're going to put 3 over 2 squared minus 2, 3 over 2 squared minus 4, 3 over 2 minus 3. So then we're going to have 27 over 8 minus 9 over 2 minus 6 minus 1, which is going to equal a negative 13 over 4. And when we plug in the 0, so it's going to be 0 squared minus 2 to the 0 squared minus 4 to the 0 minus 1, which is going to be a negative 1. And because of this, we know that our absolute minimums are going to be a negative 13 over 4. And we're not going to have this one.